In the service industry, speed to lead isn't just a buzzword, it's the difference between winning a job and being the second phone call. If a lead sits in a spreadsheet for an hour, it's already getting cold. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on my own Tailhook process. I'm going to show you how I use the Google ecosystem to get instant notifications the second a lead hits my site, with zero monthly software fees. Most people use third-party connectors that check for data at a specific time or interval, for example, at the top of every hour or every 15 minutes. In our automation think tank, we prefer event-driven triggers. We use Google Forms as the intake, Google Sheets as our database, and Google Apps script as the brain.
Let's take a look at the form. In this case, this is the trigger. This is what starts our whole process. This is just a basic form. You could actually go to ReportSync.io and click on the Join Us link, and this is just the basic form that will come up. It's not branded. This is anybody with a Google account can go to forms.google.com and create this, and it'll give you a link. You can put these on websites or anywhere, attach it to a QR code. You just want people coming to you and collecting leads. So how this works is once somebody fills out the form and submits it, it will generate a record straight on your Google Sheet. Okay, so your potential customer has hit that submit button on your form. What happens next? You will have a Google Sheet connected to that form, and you will see that come up here in your Google Sheet. Now, this is just a template, but what will happen is every line that's on your form will populate here, and behind the scenes, you have what's called the app editor. So if you go up here, you can see extensions, and you would press on extensions and you would see the code that's in there that will make all this happen and you to get notified immediately. Once that script is run, it will show up wherever you want it to be sent. So just for example, if you had ReportSync@gmail.com, the lead would show up in that inbox. I've noticed it usually takes about maybe 5 or 6 seconds before it shows up, but it's coming there. If you've got your notifications set on your phone, it'll ding and you can get in touch with that potential client right away. That was just a quick introduction to how simple the process is. You can create a Google form, again, for free. It'll give you a link. You could paste that anywhere. It could be on a Facebook page. It could be in your Instagram bio, behind a QR code. And it will send a potential client to that link, and they can fill out the information on the form. And as soon as they hit submit, that's when the whole process starts. The information will show up on that Google Sheet, and behind the scenes, that script will be running to send you an email so you can get in touch with that client as soon as possible. And that's how we like to do things here at ReportSync. Create something that's simple to create, simple to use, and adds value. Now, we will be working on being able to deliver this as a package at minimal cost, and when I'm minimal, like $20. So be on the lookout for that. In the meantime, go to our website, www.reportsync.io. The link is going to be in the description. Hit the subscribe button. On our next video, we are going to walk through a live demo. So I will be filling out a form. We'll see it populate to the Google Sheet, and we'll go check the email to make sure the lead arrives. So come back for that, probably within the next week. And we got more exciting things to show you guys to how this can improve. If you want to get away from Google Forms and use something more branded, we'll show you how to do that and talk about some improvements we're looking at for the future. We're really excited. But like I said, hit up our website. You can join the wait list so you can be notified when this is going to come out to be delivered to you. And if you have any comments, please put them in there. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.